Hello students, today we will see third chapter requirement analysis. The requirement analysis focus on the task that determines the needs or conditions to meet the new and altered product or projects, taking accounts of the possibly conflicting requirements of various stakeholders, analyzing, documenting, validating and managing software or system requirements. Then these are the syllabus points of requirement analysis: requirement elicitations, software requirement specifications, developing use cases, UML, then building the analysis model, elements of analysis model, analysis pattern, agile requirements engineering, negotiating requirements and validating requirements. Then what is requirement analysis? A requirement analysis is the process of defining the expectations of users for an application that is to be built or modified. It involves all the tasks that are conducted to identify the needs of different stakeholders. Therefore, the requirement analysis means to analyze, document, validate, and manage software or system requirements. High quality requirements are documented, actionable, measurable, testable, traceable, and helpful to identify business opportunities are defined to facilitate system design. Then concept of, first we will see the concept of requirement, then we will see the concept of requirement analysis. Then requirements, designing and building the computer software is a challenging job. The software requirements are descriptions of features and functionalities of the target systems. Requirement is a conditions possessed by software or system components in order to solve real world problems. The problems can be to automate a part of the system, to correct shortcoming of an existing system, that means to control a device. Then IEEE defines the requirements as a conditions or capability needed by a user to solve the problem or achieve a goal. A conditions or capability that must be met or possessed by a system or a system component to satisfy a contract standard and specifications or other formality imposed documents. Then types of requirements. The requirements are classified into three categories as shown in these figures. First is functional requirement, second is domain requirement, and third is non-functional requirements. These are the three types of software requirements. First is functional requirement. IEEE defines functional requirements as a functions that a system or component must be able to perform. This requirement describes the interaction of software with its environment and to specify the input, output, external interfaces and the functions that should be included in the software. When expressed as a user requirements, functional requirements are usually described in an abstract way that can be understood by the system users. And more specific functional system requirements describe system functions, its input, output, expectations, etc. in details. This is the functional requirements. Then second is non-functional requirements. The non-functional requirements are also known as the quality requirements, relate to the system attributes such as reliability and response time. Non-functional requirements arise due to user requirements, budget constraint, organizational policies, etc. And these requirements are not related directly to any particular functions provided by the system. The non-functional requirements, as the name suggests, are requirements that are not directly concerned with the specific services delivered by the user to its user, and they may relate to emergent system properties such as reliability, response time, and store occupy This defines the constraints on the system implementations such as capability of input-output devices or data representations, which is used to interfaces with other systems. These are the non-functional requirements. Then third is domain requirement. In software engineering, the requirements are derived from applications domains of the system and instead from the needs of the user are known as the domain requirements. And the domain requires maybe new functional requirements or to specify the method to perform some particular computations, and the software requirements are classified as user requirements, system requirements, software specification requirements. These are the types of requirements. Then concept of requirement analysis. Requirement analysis is the process of establishing the services that the customer requires from the system and the constraint which under which is to develop and operate it. The system analysis is the process of understanding in detail when a system should be accomplished. That means completed. The requirement analysis involves defining customer needs, objectives in the context of planned customer use environments, identified system characteristics to determine requirements for system functionalities. Then IEEE defines requirement analysis as the process of studying a user need to arrive at a definitions of system hardware or software requirements. Or one of the another definitions of requirement analysis is the process of studying and defining systems, hardware or software requirements. The needs of requirement analysis. Requirement analysis helps in defining system objectives or goals. Requirement analysis helps in defining system boundaries. It helps to understand the system importance. It helps to decide nature of the system. It helps to maintain the interface of the existing system with the other system. And the requirement analysis helps to motivate the user to the new environment. Then effective requirement analysis includes 4 types of activities. First is requirement elicitations, then requirement analysis, requirement specifications and requirement validations. These are the requirement managements, change times, requirement attributes, requirement tracings. Then what is work? What is the work for requirement elicitations? The elicitation activity consists of gathering informations, understanding the stakeholder needs and articulating high level requirements. These are the requirements elicitations. Then second activity is requirement analysis. The analysis activity examines the high level requirements and determine if they are clear, complete and free of contradictions, and they defines the strategy to address these issues. Then third is requirement specifications. The specification activity defines the behavior of system in development and determine the method for requirement documentations. And last is requirements validations. The validation activity involves sessions with users, stakeholders and functional expert to determine mitigations and issue resolutions plan for conflicting requirements before the project move into the development phase. These are the requirement validations.